Hi Bittu, how are you?
Yeah, good evening, sir. I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also good. So, shall we start?
Yeah, we can start.
Yeah. So, tell me something about yourself.
Okay, my name is Bittu Singh. I am from Gopalganj, Bihar. I am completed my BTech from Chandigarh University, and I have 1 year experience as a full stack developer, 6 month experience as a Java developer, and 6 month experience as a master stack developer, where I build a SaaS application by using Firebase and Node.js and Express.js. Also, I work on some React. I also work on front end as well, where I make 2 or 3 pages, I think. And in backend, I made Google Meet scheduler and notification sender and FCM Firebase cloud messaging. I also made my own personal two project. And the first one is Spendly, finance their where user can manage their finances, and the second one is JavaScript. It is a code editor where user can uh, uh,
Okay, okay,
write
okay,
code and all.
okay.
That's all
Got it,
about.
got it, got it. So, have you ever work on React.js?
Yeah, I work on React.js.
Yeah, yeah. Can you please tell me little bit about React.js?
Okay, so React.js is basically a library in which React.js is basically a library which are invented by Facebook that build user interfaces primary for single pages application. Like it was developed by Facebook, and in React we have component based architecture and virtual DOM, etc. And JSX.
Okay.
Oh,
So, can you
statement
please
is
tell me what is JSX?
okay. JSX is a syntax extension that look like HTML, but it is actually JavaScript. It allows developers to write HTML elements in the JavaScript code.
Okay, okay. So, what is the difference between virtual DOM and the real DOM?
Okay, so what virtual DOM is basically React uses a virtual DOM to improve performance when the state of component change. React it is first update a lightweight copy of DOM virtual DOM. Compare it the previous one. The it is more consuming and more slower than virtual DOM. Much slower than virtual DOM.
Okay. So we have already HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So why we need React.js?
Okay, the need of React.js is basically building modern, dynamic, and scalable web application for for regions like component-based, declarative syntax, and like virtual DOM and fast rendering, etc.
Okay. So can you please tell me about difference between let var and const?
Okay, let var and const. Const is basically we can use in global scope and local scope as well. It is var is matlab like function scope, meaning it's within the function we can declare and use outside any function. Uh, Variable declare with var are hosted on the top of the scope and initialize with undefined. But we can redeclare reassignment. But let and const are block scope. Uh, Hosting variable declared with let are hosted but not initialized, and let is block scope, and we can redeclare. uh, if we cannot redeclare let variable in same scope, but we can reassign. But in the in const is also a block scope similar to let, like, and also we can not exit before the declaration
Okay.
and hosting.
Okay, okay, okay. Can you please tell me what is hosting JavaScript?
Okay, the hosting is hosting is basically where variable and function declare are moved or hosted on the top of their containing scope
Okay, okay,
during the compilation
okay,
time.
okay. Uh, can you please share your screen?
Okay, I see.
And can you tell me data type? What are data type in JavaScript? how many type
Basically,
are there?
we have two types. The first one is primitive, and the second one is non-primitive. Is my screen is visible or not?
Yeah, yeah, it's visible.
Okay, so primitive and non-primitive. The primitive we have like seven data types: number, string, boolean, big int, undefined, null, and symbol as well. And in non-primitive type, it is also called a reference type. So in which we have array, function, and object. So
Okay. So can you please tell me difference between null and undefined?
null content the value is basically zero or null, and undefined means uh, हमने उसको कोई वैल्यू नहीं दिया है अनडिफाइंड में. सो बेसिकली इसका अनडिफाइंड का मतलब ये होता है कि हमने उसको डिक्लेयर तो किया लेकिन उसको कोई वैल्यू नहीं दिया है
Okay.
स्टोर करने के लिए.
Okay. Okay. So are you comfortable? Are you comfortable in Hindi?
या आई एम
Yeah,
कंफर्टेबल
yeah,
इन
yeah, yeah, yeah.
इंग्लिश इन
No
हिंदी.
problem. Go ahead. Okay. So can you please tell me what is JavaScript? Why we need JavaScript in our web page?
ओके, जावास्क्रिप्ट बेसिकली जावास्क्रिpt basically one of the most popular programming language. It is usually for web development, and it is also like client side rendering and interactivity, and as well essential for creating interactive, dynamic, and responsive user interface. Like we have to work on something like we have uh, we have make something by HTML and CSS, so we have to like event like touch, mouse click, and key press or button click, so we can do by JavaScript.
Okay. So what is event?
uh, Event, just like by name, event is any event like any event by like clicking the button, mouse hover, etc. So we have event.
Okay. Can you please tell me difference between double equal to and triple equal to?
Okay, the double equal to and triple equal to means in double equal to it is not strict data types, but it triple equal to it directly goes to strict data types, where strict types and non-strict. Double equal are non-strict types, and ट्रिपल इक्वल टू स्ट्रिक्ट टाइप वेयर डबल इक्वल टू मतलब वहां पे दो सेम डेटा टाइप्स नहीं हो सकते हैं तो अभी वो ट्रू या फॉल्स रिटर्न करेगा, बट इन ट्रिपल इक्वल टू सेम डेटा टाइप्स ही होने चाहिए.
Okay. So can you please tell me what are the feature which are introduced in ES6?
Okay, ES6 features are like arrow function. We have let and const and template literals. Also, we have and destructuring assignment. Like we can destructure assignment, object and array, default parameter as well. We have
Okay. Or
rest and spread operator.
okay. So what is rest and spread operator?
Okay, in rest and spread operator are basically are two types of spread operator. In rest operator, we can add both are introduced in ES6. Both are using the same syntax as well, but they are used in different context. Like the rest operator is used to collect multiple element and like multiple element and adding to into a single array or object. And in like the spread operator is used to unpack elements from an array or object. It is, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Do you know what is high order function?
या हाई ऑर्डर फंक्शन इज बेसिकली लाइक एक फंक्शन के अंदर हम फंक्शन बना सकते हैं या कॉल बैक, लाइक टेक वन और मोर फंक्शन एज एन आर्गुमेंट, वी कैन रिटर्न आल्सो अ फंक्शन एज अ रिजल्ट.
Okay. So in JavaScript there is any pre-built, predefined high order function. Can you please tell me the name?
प्री डिफाइंड हाई ऑर्डर फंक्शन.
Yeah.
Okay, we have like I think we have set timeout function and map. We also have map, filter, and reduce
Okay.
or each.
Okay. So have you ever used map filter reduce?
Yeah, I use math filter
Okay,
many
o-
times.
okay. So can you please tell me the difference between them, map, filter, and reduce?
Okay, the map function create a new array where the map function create a new array with the result of calling a provided function like every element. Like we have an array and we want to calculate. We have to multiply all the arrays. So we use um, map function like transform each element in the array and return a new array. And the filter we use to create a new array with all element that passed, like first element, we have condition based, like we have a array like 1 to 10, and we have to pass the element from 6 to 10 and or 5 to greater than. So we have new array where like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are printing in the new array, return the new array.
And reduce?
Okay, the reduce is basically function reduce function executive a reducer function that you provide on each that you provide on each element of the array from left to right, like resulting like we have accumulator and uh, current value in this scope, or where we can like we can make we have to make a e-commerce website where we have to calculate the all cart value, where user cart price. So we have to use accumulator or current value there.
Okay. So just open any online compiler of JavaScript. Okay. Have you ever used find method?
Yeah, I use sometime find method.
So can you please tell me the difference between find and filter?
Okay, the find method is uh, okay. The find method in JavaScript is used to return the first element in the array. Like uh, find function is also a callback function, where it's find by element, index, or array.
Okay. Okay. Uh, just create an a random array. Okay. Just create one, not more than one. And now I want you to print that number which are greater than three.
Greater than three by
Yeah.
using find method.
By you can use anything what you want. Just print that number which are greater than three. Not three, just greater than three.
Sorry, my variable names are.
And do not console until I tell.
Okay, okay. Which are greater than three,
Yeah.
or equal to, greater than, equal to, or only greater than.
Only greater than.
Okay.
Okay.
Should I console this or
Now tell me the what will be the output. What you expecting the output? Just write down in a comment in line number 4.
okay? The output will be four,
Output will be
four.
4.
Hmm.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Just run it. Do you know why 7 is output?
Okay.
Okay, so I asked you about find method, and you told me find is that which return the first argument, first true right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so first true argument will be the 7, no?
Okay. Okay.
And why are you using find method? I just told you just I want those number which are greater than 3.
Okay,
Yeah.
we can use
Great,
filter method as well.
greater than 3 means it will be 7, 4, 5, and 6. Don't run it. Don't run it. Don't run it. Just just write down it output. What will be the output? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, run it. See, the output will be 7, 4, 5, 6, not 5, 6, 7.